If you have a house in Cincinnati, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin. For over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Cincinnati, Ohio. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Cincinnati prefer to work with a direct buyer like us rather than working with more of a traditional buyer who's going to be using a mortgage or needing to qualify for some type of loan to buy your house. So first and foremost, we're going to keep it easy because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything. There's no hiring a handyman, no going to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything, so you don't have to pull out the broom, dustpan, paper towels, the Windex, nothing like that whatsoever. And you don't got to haul anything away. So basically, you can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind, and we'll take care of it for you. So what allows us to buy houses as is we use cash. We're not relying on a mortgage lender or some kind of traditional lender to buy your house. A traditional buyer, on the other hand, if they're using a mortgage lender, it could be more complicated for you. It could be more expensive as well. First things first, a traditional buyer using a mortgage, they're going to send a thorough inspector through the house. If you ask me, that could be pretty intrusive, because they're going to test every outlet, every single light switch, every ceiling fan. They're going to open and close all the doors and the windows. And basically, they're going to compile pages and pages and pages of everything wrong with the house. And really, this could only be used against you as the seller of the property. They're only going to try to get more extensions or discounts or renegotiate. Obviously, it's not in your favor to have a thorough inspection done to the house. And then if you survive, or if your transaction, if your deal with this traditional buyer survives the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. And oftentimes, the appraiser has the bank's best interests in mind, not yours. And the bank has their own best interests in mind, certainly not yours or anybody's. They think about themselves only. And they can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time and cancel on you. And that's a huge waste of time. Sends you right back to square one. But in real estate, it's not just time that's wasted, it's money. Because every day that goes by where you're jumping through hoops and doing inspections and doing all of this stuff that typically comes with a traditional buyer, you're still paying utilities, you're still paying insurance and property taxes, and there's just a lot of opportunity cost. So selling to a direct buyer like us, you get to pick your own closing date. There's not going to be any of that whatsoever. There's no thorough inspections or appraisals or anything like that. So if you have a house in Cincinnati or anywhere in the Cincinnati area and you want to get a fair offer or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name, but we're very familiar with Cincinnati, do a lot in Cincinnati, work with many people in Cincinnati. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline, because we're able to close quickly if you want to. If you need flexibility, we can put something into the future. Whatever you want, we're able to close on your timeline. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll just shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics or gimmicks or any games or anything like that. That's what you get with the call centers, the ones that are sending you the text messages and cold calling you and things like that. We don't do that. We're local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fair. And just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of other people, we have a ton of references, testimonials, and positive reviews. So if you have a house in Cincinnati and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.